If you hear strange and scary noises in your house, run away and ask for help. Like this man, he always hears scary voice in his house. Through a CCTV, you will be shocked to see the creature in his house. I will show you the video. But first, like and subscribe if you love your parents. If you don't like and subscribe, it means you never love your parents. So, this man was very surprised because the scary sound came from this ugly creature that appeared in his house. You and your friends may be going through the same thing. Send this video to your friends to warn them about this. Here is the video.